Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this particular video, let us discuss about another disease that is nothing but chickenpox. Now what you need to demarcate as the important points and the unimportant points if you receive chickenpox as the scenario of your case note. However, I will be only providing a background information regarding the disease. You need to add the additional points. Now we have been hearing about chickenpox from our childhood itself, but we do not know what might be the causing agent. The causing agent of the disease is varicella zoster virus, and it happens only once in the lifetime of an individual. Now what might be the symptoms of this particular disease? You might have mild fever, headache, weakness, fatigue, and also eruption of blisters around your face, whereas the hallmark symptom of the disease is the occurrence of rashes. Now how you will be able to, or how can you contract this disease from another person? If you have been in direct contact with the infected person, you can easily contract this particular disease. And also if you have been in contact with the infected person 2 to 3 days before the eruption of blisters on his face or body, you can contract this disease. Otherwise, you can even contract it through his or her saliva, coughing and sneezing droplets, and so on. There is no particular medical treatment which is mentioned for this particular disease. It is sometimes or often confused with insect bites. However, the medical experts tend to advise the patients in order to intake excess amount of fluids in the form of water or maybe fruits and so on, which would help them to immunize their body much more better. And also, if you receive this as a case note, you need to add all these vital informations so that you will be easily able to demarcate between what is the important point and what is the unimportant point. As I already mentioned in an earlier section, that in the case notes, they might provide you with excess number of unimportant points in order to deviate you from your path or in order to make your answer incorrect. So always be careful about these things.